Hello, creative buddies. Welcome back to Flying with Art. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel, like, comment, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update. In today's video, I'm making a dragon. For this, I have taken thick GI wire to make base of the dragon, like so. I'm twisting the wire to give shape of the wings. Then attaching it to the main body. Then I am taking a slightly thin wire than the previous one to make the veins of the wings. Now I am using aluminium foil to give body and structure to the dragon by twisting it around the wire, like so. I am using homemade cold porcelain clay for sculpting the dragon. I keep adding more and more clay until and unless I am satisfied with the structure. Applying water to smoothen the clay whenever required. To give a scaly effect to the dragon, I am using a tool. You can also use a needle, front and back portion of the pen, like I am using here. I'm using crystals for making eyes by pressing it inside the clay. Using needle to give texture to the horns of the dragon. Roll a thin sheet of the clay and attaching it to the wired wing structure with the help of a PVA glue. In the similar way, I make another wing using the same procedure. After sticking all the horns, our dragon look like this. Now I am making tail of the dragon. Again using needle to give texture to the tail, and then attaching it to the main body with the help of a PVA glue. This completes the sculpting portion of this white beauty. Now comes the coloring part. Here I am using acrylic color for painting the dragon. I have used black acrylic color for the base coat. By using a dry brush technique, I am applying little bit of red acrylic color to the dragon. In this technique, you have to dip brush in the color and remove the excess color so that only a little amount of color remain in the brush, and then you have to slightly apply the color on the base. By using the same technique, applying orange acrylic color to the body of the dragon. Highlighting only the textured portion of the dragon using metallic gold. this completes our mysterious creature that is ready to fly. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Please give your comment and love to the channel.